Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller Robot Vacuum and Mop, a flagship robotic cleaning system designed for fully automated deep cleaning with extreme suction power, advanced AI navigation, self-cleaning technology, and intelligent mopping performance. If you're searching for one of the most powerful and feature-packed robot vacuum systems available today, the Aqua10 Ultra is built to deliver a premium hands-free cleaning experience. The first thing that immediately stands out is the incredible 30,000 Pa suction power. That is an enormous level of suction for a robot vacuum and makes a huge difference when cleaning carpets, pet hair, dust, crumbs, and deeply embedded debris. Whether you have thick rugs, hardwood floors, or daily messes from pets and family activity, this vacuum is designed for serious deep cleaning performance. Another major highlight is the extending roller mop system. Instead of basic dragging mops found on entry-level robot vacuums, DREAME uses an advanced roller-style mop that actively scrubs floors while extending closer to edges and corners for more complete cleaning coverage. Hard floors receive much more effective stain and dirt removal compared to traditional robot mopping systems. The self-cleaning dock is what truly transforms the experience into a near-fully autonomous cleaning setup. The docking station automatically empties debris, heat washes the mop, and dries it after cleaning sessions to reduce odors, bacteria, and manual maintenance. This greatly reduces the amount of daily interaction needed from the user. Carpet protection technology is another smart addition. The robot intelligently detects carpets and adapts cleaning behavior to avoid soaking rugs while still maintaining powerful vacuum performance. This helps create smooth transitions between hard floors and carpeted areas. Navigation is powered by advanced AI camera technology combined with LiDAR mapping and obstacle avoidance. The robot can intelligently detect furniture, cables, shoes, toys, and household obstacles in real time while building precise room maps for efficient navigation. This allows faster cleaning with fewer collisions and better room coverage. Voice control support and smart app integration make operation very convenient. Users can customize room maps, no-go zones, cleaning schedules, suction levels, and mopping settings directly through the app or through compatible voice assistants. The overall premium design and intelligent automation make the Aqua10 Ultra feel more like a complete home cleaning assistant rather than just a robot vacuum. Between the ultra-powerful suction, advanced roller mopping, AI navigation, and automated dock maintenance, this system is designed to minimize manual floor cleaning almost entirely. Overall, the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller Robot Vacuum and Mop is an outstanding high-end robotic cleaning system for users who want flagship suction power, advanced mopping, AI smart navigation, and near hands-free home cleaning convenience. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily smart home and tech product reviews. And if you want to check out the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra for yourself, the Amazon link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.